of una they do everything. But the only reason why make me not the do one is because I am reasonable. Because I dey think. Sometimes I'll just say no. This thing, it's not the reasonable. A fight that you never start, you will win it. As long as you didn't start that fight. It's very easy and very easy for you to win that fight because not be you starting. But you see, I say fight where you go they start. You go they carry because say you be Odunga. Now that one they don't they quit they win. I know you boma or he love I can be your man way before they will carry you come out for that kind of fight. It's very, very difficult. Ugbe, thank you. It's very, very difficult. So that's what I don't do. And please, the people where they follow me right from time, they know who I am. And they know the reason why I do everything that I do. Please, if you know that you are on my platform, when I have things like this to do, you don't support it. It's not a problem, but don't drop your comment for me or my page. Because let me off this thing. I will not be talking to you. Good evening, my people. I'm not going to follow you, they talk. They talk to the people where they follow me, they don't wear any woman say nothing. Yes, now. Now, people where they follow me, they go since now they talk to. I will not be communicating with you, although my video came to you. The best thing to do is to just to put your hand on unfollow so that you will not be seeing my video and you will not be seeing anything that I'm posting. You get your peace of mind. You don't control me on what to say or what not to do or what to do. This Facebook, you got another thing when I remember today where he also make me say, no, I need to really finish analyzing the video. On my birthday, when I was doing birthday, all of you now remember that day now. When I did here, they do my birthday. I like it when people come out after sins, they'll come, they talk, say, forgive. Wait till you know if you do. If you know, say, you never forgive your uncle wife, you did this Europe, 2 of them, they go. Till today, as we they talk, so your uncle wife did your life, you never forgive, and you can't tell me, say me no get forgiveness, say forgiveness on what go away. If you know, say, you never forget your brother or your sister where you shop your money many years for Europe. It's still there your mind, you never forgive them. And you can't the right give me way be Rita. Say, Rita, why don't you have forgiveness? A forgiveness for what? Why you hear me forgiveness? If you not say you never forgive people where they around you, where you offend you, your husband do something, you not forgive him. The next thing you carry it back, you throw away and through window. You say my husband they go, you not marry again, you become single mother, and you are complaining about me. Say me not get forgiveness. Say forgiveness or God boy. Ugaye te me not concern me moment de in re. Una e muende. Umu everywhere was up. You carry on for his phone. You carry on for anywhere. You follow your friend gossip. Wago se wo back gossip and I munere na person matter. When I be me ade do ha me munere oga gbo no ga bonya. We need Jesus Christ no me mafa. He said, if you don't ever in your life analyze matter the way they analyze and so, because this is exactly what I'm doing. What you cannot boldly do outside is what I do on live video. What you cannot boldly do on social media is what presenters does. No other thing. You they analyze my matter for inside your phone. If you don't ever sit down and analyze matter, say you not see that Rita. Una analyze them and then we phone. Me na la live video ni me do analyze them man. No women no women for a year and 6 months. Una when you analyze them man. E me ro ga gbo e phone ga gian we ho. E phone ga gian we ho. We need Jesus Christ no me my fan. Now this prayer for me I feel do my people. Good evening, Dawn. I said you should call me. You forgot maybe. Now I go kill you. If you don't ever gossip your boyfriend or your girlfriend, you don't gossip your baby mama, you don't gossip your baby papa with anybody, and you come meet me when I want to do my own for my platform, say me not do one because you know here here okay. And he got boga la way na ho. We need Jesus Christ no me ma. And that one now say me I fed do. Because I would lose some of them, or the one that say, Mona see all this hypocrisy and hypocrite. Now me I know even know what like him what even know what I like. How was the genesis of this thing? The day I was doing my birthday, I'm sitting down when they do my birthday for you. When I don't know what happened, that very day, Vera was online with her mama. They were busy disturbing my birthday. One thing I have never ever done to her since I did this Facebook. I know how many times she celebrates birthday. I know they disturb her birthday and they leave her alone. You get anybody who say I don't disturb her on a celebration day? Is there anybody on social media who can say on my celebration day Rita was disturbing me? Or Rita was busy talking about me, insulting my husband and my children on my celebration day? Please, you people should remind me if I don't know. But Sugusugu and Vera, they did it to me on my celebration day. She hide under Vera. She enter inside Vera, using her because under normal circumstances, nothing concern me concern Vera. She was using her to bully me on my celebration day, which I have forgiven Vera. I don't work up as it, but now she do all those things. She will suffer for it. So we went away to her. So the video when I do yesterday, she came to my video of yesterday. She collected everything. She took the entire video of 2 hours, something minutes, she put on a platform with the intention of using it to make money. With the intention of saying, oh, I want to be using this video to make money. So that my video will be giving me money and it will be giving her money. Impossible. You know why? Because I never showed your face on my video. I never show your face on my video. I was just doing and analyzing the situation on ground. I'm waiting you don't feel do blessing Joe. You don't kill her. You don't carry Agbada go there, go take it blessing Joe. What have you done? You want to come and follow me to drag my own food inside my own house, on my own cyberspace. That is stubbornness. I don't like things like that. It will make me never to leave you alone. Stubbornness, we pass body, we pass gauge. I know they like her. Rudeness. You want to go use me to brag for your followers, say you can do anything you can. When I irrita me here. Agbe me iwu, irrita him me so now me just decide say, and sometimes it's because of the amount of people. I'll just also say, let me give them the benefit of that and talk. On my own birthday, when I did do my birthday, she was busy there. He sets Vera for grants in a Vera bully in a birthday or email. So what are you people talking about? Why am I giving no rena here with my people? So let's continue yesterday. Let's continue from where we stopped on the critical analysis of yesterday. This will not be saga. I'm not doing saga. Somebody said truth. Thank you. And don't look. The time Vera they opened up. Somebody say no even understand what Rita they talk. How you understand that you just jump inside agree? You won't understand the whole thing in 1 minute. Somebody don't make me forget what I want to talk now. What's your one eye? I want to analyze a video from where I stopped. Mom, say good evening, ma. I forgot to call you after the live video. I will call you. All right. I want you to call me. We need to talk. He carried my video. He carried my full video. He go put on for a page. Now they do that kind of thing. Not do one again. Because I think say yourself, I think say you don't take for this job. You know social media where. You know the, Judith, you know the work where you know how social media be. Yeah, you just enter place the territory, you just pack everything, you just go put for your platform, you want to use and content make money, make people come they say you be a duga, you too much, or you do this, you do that. Your followers, they don't love me, they hate me. Tell them that my followers also hate you. They don't love you. They dislike you with serious passion. Alright? They dislike you with serious passion. And I don't know what they go on for social media. If you are a starter, you enter this social media and you are doing what you are doing, your work, they want you. If you say, oh, I am a person who wants to be contributing on social issues, what is happening on social media and sharing my mind. Some particular people want you to be a puppet to them. A house girl, a person they can control. That's when the problem will start. That is where the war will start from. They want you to become a puppet. When you are not a puppet to them, they use you do what they like. They can be bringing you to whatever they like. That one, they'll be very satisfied about it. Then you are their friends. Now in this, Vera go take 4 victims for where you go 4 victims the other day. Which somebody like me is not easy to do with me, you know, all those things. So the problem I have with them is the problem of I know who I am. That's the problem I have with them. So the reason why I'm analyzing this video with my full chest and full confidence is that this video she did yesterday, this nonsense video, is my video. It's my own. Although she did it in a platform, she used her mouth to say it. She used her body to talk about it, but it is my video. Una don't know how it be my video. I will not go. Maybe I don't know, because a video before you finish the video, you was lashing on Vera with work on the quarry, of which the fight is the fight we be say I dey expect for a very long time. How will you say it's not my video? I've been expecting that fight for a very long time. You have used Vera to bully me and they expect una fight. And una fight can finally come. And I also promise people that when your fights come, I will sit down here. I will not fight. I will not shout. I will not insult anyone. I will just do the analysis and tell you, as you are looking at Vera and telling Vera the truth in your mouth, I will also be looking straight in the stream and telling you what you are supposed to know. What you are supposed to know. Hmm? Oh.
Can you come down? We'll go drive around. Okay. Come down.
Give me pass. I need to pass.
I have.
Vera, you see what my mama they use? My mommy, Estalada. No, they rub all those shock until they talk to people with better pass you 1 million times. Yes, this one. Yeah.
Whatty my mama they rub? Estelado. It's Estelada. They call it Estelada. Estelada is not too expensive. It's just 40 euro. It's not a thing a person is supposed to be gallivanting about in front of the screen, except you're a very poor person. Alright? When you are a very poor woman, you can't be 20 years in Europe and be telling Vera to say you are using she's using Estelada with Vera, who is just coming to Europe. Now you can't use Estelada for the platform. You see what your mama they use. This is Estelada. My own, I not even they use her against if I don't forget her for granted. Because sometimes you get the way they even they be for face. Sometimes, you know. So not Vera not be person where you go use Estelada take prat for. Because she's just coming to Europe. She can use the new one where they come, where other people never use. Now she go use tomorrow. You understand? So Estelada is not a big deal. That's the way back to house in UK, another 2 weeks. You can't use Estelada take the pride for Dora. I be Vera, what be her name? Do I boy because of Estelada my Vera way? Come and see the Estelada that I am using. It doesn't make you classic and know what you are doing.
No, only this. Yeah. Yeah. I hope that they could give me pass just now. Okay, give me. Then where you need to know your journey, son. Your journey. Tight for your lap, you know. If you go see picture where you did take. This I know they see all those things. If mommy Monica they heavy you for man, there is something that is in your heart. Because they were not dealing with ni massive. You buy 1 million. Abi jeune bien grandchildren e yan here tie mommy Monica yen tied na me we mo gele binya with a respect.
Abi je ni here de ne yan here ta we anyway. Yen mommy by. Respect is not what somebody demand. The reason why this woman have a very big problem on social media is that who demand the respect you are just fond of demanding respect from people. People should come and be respecting you. It's not by force. People who call me Mommy Rita, I never told them to call me. I never even tell them to say I'm mommy. This one is something you can just get in. You just earn it. People wait, the way I seen you, wait, don't they have many years? Then they call me mommy, whatever. No, wait to try to be yourself. They're not the force respect to say somebody more. People must call you this, they must call you that. Or see with social media. I don't tear with mommy, who said to you, I don't tama we mommy, who wet here way. I know how many people they call me mommy. Rita, Lady Rita, anything. It's not a problem for me. Respect is in. You don't propaganda for it. Where propaganda you respect it, people should come and be respecting you by force. Go and create your content, your topic. This is my topic. You hear my mouth full inside now. I'm the owner of this video. You don't know that? Oh, you are just fooling me. Vera don't carry a name. You are just equally Ayoyuwa. Because I don't understand them. You know, say any the whole social media native where you are. You are not here to come and give Vera your name. And in a moment, meet you where the social media fake accounts call you Ayoyowa. You everybody. People call you Ayoyowa. There was even a video na Ayoyowa. Never beg the social media. Now you're not feeling way. Today you are not calling Vera Ayoyowa.
Yeah, you need money son. Rubbish. Elapiwe, only son where so where you your name on son. Well, I mean, then where you need to know your journey son.
Elapiwe, only son where you give your name on son. Then where we need to know where they are money son. E Monica, we are taking you where you talk with Facebook never beg the way you live in Kibi. Can you try it and come out one day without wearing padded nyash? Why it is just for one day? Nula dian without padded nyash. Let's see what you are going to look like. Let's see how you are going to be without umajo nisan. This one not be fight o. Without umajo nisan. Just try yourself one day. Try it, sit down. Come out, come sit down for this social media, or just walk around without umajo nisan. Let's see. Who work on nisan vera no masse. No polose. Onisen vera nisan bet oga fiego nisan. Onisan aga fiege beg. But who work? Where in money Saint John no do ye big. E fiege. O ye bi na akbu ni na make bigbo. E shake. So with all those lifestyle no we living you hang we ladian we gioma. Igoma money san big no pa money san no flat. We vera gioma go ma me flat nyash. Pourquoi flat nyash aya de social media? Oh bo lason. Why are you always putting your problem on top of Vera? Why now don't turn you Vera na? Good evening, how are you? Why not do I have Vera or swim flat nyash? E Vera reba bu swim flat na. E Vera even na ya screenshot here. E Vera even na ya bully on my fake account. Buwa. Oh now warning. All this thing where you teach Vera, you teach her how to bully, how to sit down, bully people where not taught to run. This is exactly what you taught Vera, and this is exactly where she is now good and she's grounded inside. You are lying on top of that girl. May her head kill you. No one Vera told. May her head kill you. No one Vera kma wo duri you told you wo. Why are you saying it's Vera that is talking about flat nyash? Flat nyash generated from you and your husband. And today, only samena me dok bolo so we keke bobo dafun. Ona bolo so we. Or that make back na be maso dafun we. Two of you are not presentable, you don't look good. With a Snapchat, you cannot even do a live video. Ngozi Ezeke, I understand. I know they support Vera. You say no, they support Vera again because she too insults you and your children. They forget. I not forget. She insults me where, but you people supported Vera to be insulting me for how long? They supported Vera to be insulting me and bullying me for how long? So who is coming here to tell me now say create your content? The time they're going to start fighting, their fight is my content. As long as they are fighting, it is my content. I'm the owner of that content. How is it not my content? Come and tell me how it's not my own. The time they were using me, when she came out to tell Vera, say, Vera, ya ki a platform where ya monetize. Uwa wua, abu wanire Facebook na ta uwa ruwa uwa biti. Mi kan gmak uwa ovegeni. Wama hoi mi Facebook na wagaye. Eni muwa lea, sonti kare unaron. The time where Vera, where atu arite Vera say use and say monetize. Wamare Facebook na. So why are you people not telling me to say, go and create your content? I'm a good content creator if I want to do my topics. I can't crack my brain and do topic when topic is on my table. You want me to go and be reading dictionary when I have topics on my table that people can learn from? This is life history that people can learn from. You do me, I do you. Neither they call this one. So if you don't want to take it like you do me, I do you, please go. Go, because you didn't know the genesis. You don't know it at all. People wait there, yes, so they know the genesis of everything. So if I don't reply somebody for 1 day and 6 months, 7 months, you didn't know that I was waiting for a particular thing or day. You don't know say I dey wait. So you think say I just keep quiet because my patience too big. Waiting most of Nana will do. No, my people, I was waiting for today. This is the day I was waiting for at this particular moment. Igbina laya evak beni vera agbe ni okay no ban ni gankwa. Ega ahe. Osi ani mana go egun. Eto an ega amume.
ya Johnny son. And what gem? You need to dey wear tight. Ghetto tight for your lap. You no good.
Ya si bi oho ye kore. Ibi oho. Ya si ye kore no say Vera. Vera is more cuter than you. I told you yesterday. Si bi oho ye were. Emi atia ye emi ogo na egbe is very bad. She go market. I don't know Kenya Junior na do those cheap meats near there. One more you went to wa gia sheep meat. Emi ogo no gbaran gberi be webu. Why ya si la body si le lama si levi si lori. Why oye meat. Omo adi oye meat igbe egba na bege e do ya pita say na body na for the see wetin person chop sleep. Body egba na mi na e wari da e dan almost to show egbo e. E reason no see enu na do kin hele emi wo da o. O ha gbe we total we mutia you that way like video straight. Then I other people, the only thing you can do is to sit down then you are run 24 hours. You cannot show a picture straight to manado. Uwa okono aje e woman fled. Okwa je woman say manado fled the beniana. It's a pregnant woman style. A style who no bien and we ye money. Never. A style pregnant woman. Anytime you see a woman who wear this thing where they are, it's either a kwe digba or she's pregnant. Are you pregnant with me or she gan ya we top? But that's what you do. But today you want to come and be talking to Vera, your helper. Vera is your rescuer, your survivor. I'm not surviving way. Oh, what do I Google anyhow with social media? You are mad.
If you go see picture where you did say carry my own journal, me with senior you, I senior your senior sister.
Me senior you, Monica Medion way. I'm older than you, I'm not your mate, and you know it. But look how cuter I look than you. Ya mudia ekome ye sifa. A body rokama de gwe monhe mutoto. But your own body, there's nothing to write on me about. So it's not about age. Some people have bad bodies. Some people have very bad bodies. Yan egbedan. Egbedan ina so yan wa ebuku no. Yan ri ebuku obejian or oberian. Or eva ni an doaye or si egbedan re. When you have a bad body, when you are eating bad food, when you are eating bad things, when you are eating gassy, what do teta fi abi live video? E lama o eti gabe no kebe na lama. When you go chop a lama no maga, uswa bolo de ko. Ah we enya. Enya we ye na woman. O mana muje o mana no di hu BP every day. You quick boom. Even your pikin wait there many years. You don't know anything. My daughter Amba go teach your pikin, teach you the one where you born for. Now go carry on a frustration, go for people. Everybody where you they talk to for live video. Look at your life. Mama Gladys better pass you 101 times. Our children don't grow, they will talk for them with one man. You see this Mama Gladys matter where she talk inside. Let me talk to you, my people. Vera started insulting Mama Gladys. Heat. Like heat wouldn't they say heat because of this same devil. Because of this same satanic woman. Now person where Vera insult Mama Gladys. Where? Although say Mama Gladys very get connection with that one. But because say you not want they play with person where in they fight for. Because say you not want they play with that one, you not get good connection with that one. And so he go they use Vera to the bullying. He use Vera to do many dirty jobs on social media, my people. I don't even know how that one I tell you. Sometimes I wonder to say, what is it that opens her eyes? Hey, can you imagine? Now so God to the walk. Her eye just open. It's just they use something they do dirty. Then they clean shit on her. It just be like why you own that trailer, no why you have with trailer home. It's really horrible, my people. Vera fought a lot of dirty fights on social media for this woman. Sometimes I'll just look and feel sorry for her. I feel sorry for them. Even if they don't, then use them, they hurt me. I know say not be their eye because I don't do anything now. I know say they enter inside their body. One thing you people must know about this lady, if you are not spiritually backed up, you cannot handle her. If you like, take it on social media. If you like, don't take it. If you are not spiritually backed up, you can't handle her because the teeth where she gets in the spiritual realm is more than 350 set of teeth in her mouth. The set of teeth she carry is more than 360 sets of teeth. Take it or leave it. So those things that you know or you are thinking is very true. It's very true. Her set of teeth is more than 350 in the night. She's a complete evil. When you say somebody is evil, she's evil. If I tell you something, believe me, I know what I'm telling you. Draculate, thank you so much. Her teeth in the night, no yamwe sagin, it's more than 350. But with people like us, she will not share it. You get the people where he thinks they work for their body. You know, that's why she wonder about to say, who are all these ones?
Amaka ya aso sa nera ya we asa. Era na ya we aso sa etoro era we amati pe na ya we aso sa ne dion. Ma siege we be. Daddy cool where are you?
And when tianye vera aso sa. Umata my we vera. Then use you pay debt. Now debt your father use you pay. Now debt your mama use you pay. Now debt your family use you pay. Oh. It not good maybe say you can't do all this dirty work for me. Concentrate on your life. Go and work so that you can pay the debt they use you to pay back. He was using her to clean your shit. You need to go and apologize to Vera. You apology Vera. You me peace with Facebook.
Yeah, we are not for drop me.
Well, finish in a boy Vera. Apology me.
Why did they apology you? What na me like but then one na wa munere whoever. Wa munere now you talk pass. Who you be? What you they talk na me home.
If you see her forehead, her eye forehead when she did do that video, that yeah, like can make me laugh. You can see the expression in the face. Oh, what me munere o mwe papa. Eh? What do you expect? You don't know say na so vera de mwenere. Eh? You don't know say na so vera de mwenere. Not be you give her mwenere make carry. You are not complaining what mo e mujoto. Atiku have a learning lesson wonona. Because he jotiku hin, no si lotiku hin. Esta we no rebejo we jotiku ge wo. So next time the yagwali ko we ebe mu cause position the vera na wakpa. E sa no rebejo live agwa or live anele na gwa na. You give run a city vera. As we are talking right now. A city vera or TMT, but a star on a replace a Sanore Bejo is not running the city of Vera. A Vera is city where my MT at all. Where one will get to the league. Immediately you carry that gate run, reach one place, sister run, follow your now we get it with Vera la we get it mend off where I can we give me fecola Doria Ghana because in your bully make bought damage. As me, I'm talking to you right now, your sister in Belgium is busy sitting in that seat. I don't know can sig me about team Vera no hone. Evani wana gmina gbelegboa because where you erenia or no who vije hian vije wese na for how many years o no gmina no wesins uriye kpifun. Metamu wa igmina ya se you wa yagbe wa gmina poro wa gbelegboa.
Wagwan na me o back there. German lady they better pass you 1 million times. If with your husband and they do it, you not get supporter.
So German lady better. Now make me say this video is just to remember and I will analyze it. Even though one cry me cry. So German lady we magi gbe off of the social media now. You know what you do those family. Do you want me to take your mind back to German lady saga? You and German lady. You allow those people rest. Now you are not saying German lady better pass Vera. So you was jealousing her and her husband those days. You don't let the rest. The time where your husband did this UK way they so where German first lady was the first Benin woman where they get support of husband on social media. I don't know how many of you remember. Let me be taking your mind back one after the other. Now remember, even before this one, where do I like this thing so? This one where do I like a pot na azizobo ya dana. Ave pot ibi wagwa na azizobo ya dana face eje. You see this one where they talk so. You not let Jama First Lady rest for this social media. Or we love Jama First Lady back. That husband where they help that woman. Or take bobo. The time where and grandma mother-in-law probably happen. The way where this woman take collect Jama First Lady come they happy follow and do saga. Mena nerita na do why ejiri. I was one of the people who wole Jama First Lady who boko na. Because of my get and then you know what the thing she was dealing with Jama First Lady for was purely jealousy. My husband is in UK, no, they help me, I don't get any hope. Again, if he writes something for social media, not they complete. Now don't forget. If he writes something, it's not the complete. Anything where he writes, not the complete. Maybe now how many years with that one will contain and that one will contain correct and for. And when they did the same as way they see person where they sit down, any edubejo go, they write and for. But that time you pack more. Owa bezaraza owa mo update on MFA street. They will understand they cannot date kid. Na so it be those days. Muna answer Jama First Lady wey come dey tell Vera today. Not be as Vera fight Jama First Lady. Your kasun agbe Jama First Lady. Ogbe ge go na ye Vera. It be like say she don't forget to. She don't forget. Omagi jere. Ani no walume. Now you are not telling Jama First Lady to. You are not telling Vera to say, yeah, Jama First Lady, your machine when can you come down from? Because he has set a fear and walk back with Facebook. He has so vasabi and way, maybe we only messy and way. Nana me waiting me very vasabi buku. We only messy and way. Yet to see and my lady. Because of vasabina, then where you have who made you a buku. Jess, or I can beg Muga we eritana el. Over Sabia, you mean what in him? He made me chop pan, woohoo. Then where you have we made to see and when walk party. Niyatia, how are you, darling? Do your dog. No twain, no rebejon or weapon and Hogaru is sent no see a cooking of the aqua that we were bought beer and Abiakwe. Me no ne tafiasu about Toyaji. Yaga any o can it be moes or moes a guani? You don't carry your sister, Richard. So that is so vasabi and one walk past no teme bestini bagwa. Walk past no teme skimi ya. Walk past no semi ya no Facebook come ave ata wo vasabi we ga taga hu o ga imuni raga imuni ju ni muni re gbo ohun ba son no gbo ohun ba van. No gbo ohun ba son no gbo ohun ba van. No ni same no flat gbo eni mi no flat de gbo ohun. Ni no flat ya we hin mi oto no gberi. Abo lawe gbe bagbon. Where my supporting, what do my supporting where you were supporting where? Okay, I let the more of let la video. Me. That is why I continue to say, Umama Vera, I'm going to maso. Eka Vera ya le no more, but who where time me do again where ya le nemo. When do you always cook for your children, madam? 24 hours. Me I certainly la video the day back where I was 3 days at home off, not working. I've done a lot of things inside the house. Oh, wait. 24 hours, I'm about that phone. We are not going to hara. No, me de kwa ya hara. Oh, we are not with you kwa ya hara. Ne compano na muna webo. E o de juwa if ya man. Una o de. Every time me to wa ye zuo. The webo na. I mean you pari la de webo. Because we man wina your big government. We man wina your da phone. We man wina your bunch of empty people. Oh, why va him? The video we ya so badana. We analyze any fake those been. Even more than your way. Any video no na gume guma teme me ya analyze. Iwe no asokia. Oh boy mo yo 24/7 go sleep take go sleep take go sleep wa wo ye banana ya gbe yan. Get to our live video. Il vient monkey. Ah, c'est banana no monja no mo. Et au moins donc il vient monkey. Banana is fruit in the Western world. It's not a crime. If you have children, your children eat banana. Your children eat banana. So if you say there are children they eat banana, say na monkey them be. If you were the name of a banana, you have monkey you or born one monkey. I've been on be like that, my people. You have a monkey or born no monkey. Na bola we gbe bagmon. Una know what she do? She carried my children. She carried my entire family. She has bullied me on that fake account. Do everything. That time, I open where they look. I know say time they come. My boy have like this. Here is a compressive way. Compressive. Afiran way.
Banana. Oh, you want banana? Banana? Wait, come and take it. Come and take it. Come and take it. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. What do you think in there? Wa zu o wa gbongbon ko weke man ni bo ju eye ke
lare no make your woman of gbongbon. Make I talk to you is no gbongbon. You see this or gbongbon where you dey tell Vera so. O ma ro pa social media no gbongbon so we. E no dey. Nobody did the social media where even gbongbon reach you. Everywhere working gbongbon say. Not be this attention you define. If you remember this late what it be name late what it be name later people will say I too like Korea be me block them come for here. Ah if you what do kire ah gbuwa for 6 months even why na ran agbe ogbuwa yeruwa bejuwa o. Admi abe block out this nonsense people where they talk say you too like Korea for ogbo ya we ra bejuwe. Wa ho ho abagmo. Come they tell me say I too like Korea. Not be this Facebook you dey when they carry your mama they use and do nonsense. When they carry your children they use and do nonsense. Now you can write you too like Korea. I don't want to carry another person this thing. Bonnie, I be careful.
Walking along like be, walking talk boy. Except in our new way.
Walking talk boy. Umwerita no muki vie. Umwerita no mugi vera. Umwerita no mu ari no reoland ne igbo no yebo bi anetelo. Umwerita no ga hian ga talk boy. Me a talk boy ba son talk boy ba van. Little guname yes. Me is a talk boy. Who fool your boy electric light? Who fool who ya who we bag mo kon we. E bag mo wo we ni. Me a talk boy. Evera no be la je. Evera no tituma. Evera the junior sister e Katie no Italy. Vera Nigeria bieli o matona wu. Amanye no miko kiyen ya na hiyan mi ba boyan. Ijuweto. Yesterday when I was doing video here, I told you to say what is I'm doing comparison between Hishe and Vera. Na two of una gonna beat me for Facebook. Ijuweto seje Vera do time agmonge ni juwe ya wu. You carry my mother go to do pay show, you carry money enter house. Did I ask you that time? No. But Ijuweto or my war, Yeragmo, where is your mother? I don't block him. Vera cow tutu. I don't block him. Answer me. Una know how many times she answer me a day. Now me they fear the liver now. Now me they fear the liver. Inside a GPC na my video na full and where she take they do the analyze give her people. Fear not the let her do one for public. She's always afraid to say maybe Rita will come attack me, will come ask me. She's always carrying my video to her supporters page inside her Facebook to go and analyze. You go carry and go at GPC, go analyze. If you analyze them with them for them, for that side, you go drop them for them. Here, not the latter carry. Me myself, I'll still say, no problem. Now there you for do and live and then face your business. Me myself, if I finish analyzing the video, I will drop her down. No, I just want to analyze this her fight and bear her own. It's very important for me. So you can cry all you want. Abola wa
Vera no ya we change the edinwa. I got a new way. Oga man we saka nu na e tutu nu gwa lo no ga mi o ga fu egbe. I na new way ye you better boom one wa mi o ma fu gu wa no ma no wa mo an ugbe una no.
Woman emi nu we Vera e. Wa emi nu we. The truth we Vera define not concern me. That one na your own personal business. I don't know the kind of truth we Vera define. Maybe she know. Me myself, I go want to see the truth when she bring her come out. Now when she will come bring her come out, now that time you come concern me because now this Facebook I dey need the truth to maybe I will pay show. So don't always say real at then we know you are real at all right. We are here. But before that one, you say you don't get what you do Vera. Who carry my matter go give Vera? Who carry people go give Vera? You not get what you do Vera. Who carry people go give her? All the insults we Vera they say ogun ogbera ogun ogbiju ogun ogbewu ogun ogboro na no mie no mie before we reke do wi owe a eho na ya pin o egi no to bason we be na ya si dai o te jun ki emewe He nearly lose strength because of you. What is you here? What is like ba? Not be joke we to say I do a pin nyagi no torun dem away because what take again a pin nyana pin we vera. Mama me no way. Who take ye ni?
Fear anybody. Any no ro do here boy. Vera women na no ke gbe kan wu ya fe my gbe kan women no ya gbe kan women na wu wo here talk boy. Eva me no wo here talk boy. Igo me no wo here talk boy. Eva no wo kon se no ayi ga kon no wu wo ke mi ame na ya so se ka o ke ga kon na.
Igo no ya ye ni me ya me be pesho o here boy. Igo wu ye mi ame o here kin we. Only cap only wala you we that more all your life. Eri wala yin we that muri igo nu we ya kwa nu we ya ye in omane ne iwa we nu ya ye rabi jouer ya we pesho igo ni oga gbuwe oga hin we nya oga hin wo wu oga hin we miame oga hin sawo fo igo ni oga jawe lai igo ni oga di we ya na ro ya ye we rabi jouer de yin nushi babo ga la we gbe o han mu we do aka le vera yu we gwali ho te me me man we ya gwali go we Facebook do segbe me no to tana nu oga gbuwe. Na ya don na only gbegbe ya gbo only gbegbe no ru e o nyon kan gbo e ko so gbo yo hun ketenere o na bi won no only gbegbe o we gbo wa ketenere. You say na small pikin better start to the talk person matter. Mo na listen. You when me don already tell say you na all those children where they head for back of door they listen to adults they discuss those days. Now you be na e gbo bo kan we ke ninyere. U weri mwinere buhu. You inherit upon this life with this so. When you inherit it, out your bone. Oh, when inheriting where you inherit upon. It's just unfortunate to say you be just say all this in winner way. They Facebook only you go feed they do all of them. Me everybody do like this. Me everybody they do like this. No work paging winner ray at the Facebook way. Oh. You don't be like that. Where is you winner ray name my baby do show who way because he a ray where they him. Eh? A ray where they him. Where is your ray name my baby to have it? All the your way. I can do so. You wanted to eat from my dustbin today. My baby dustbin where is it and I? But you wanted to eat from my dustbin. Carry my video. Now I collect that video for you and I drop it down. I know they fight cyber war with you since. Now only war of ways. Now they follow you, they fight. War of ways. If you introduce me to cyber war, if I deal with you, finish for this Facebook, eh? But about that phone when I go bully the fake account, and if you are on that top, yeah, you why I don't know what you people want. Don't take me to that level. Hey, I take me to that level because me, if I learn something, in a small way, me I they do a passport. So the feeling is deep. You can go and cry in your Facebook. I just block you. You don't cry here. I've been looking for you to block you. Admit they look them, they come out, they wash them. It's like you're not washing them so that you can be blocking them. You know, say my Facebook, they already allow them, they look, but I know they let them, they drop comments anyhow. Like I wanna see koye bona wa si koye bona wa ati ogun ogiason. Ege sene na do ya ati egbo 12 o'clock ogun ninu wa. The amu egbu wa this time around. Me ni return here the ati koye wa 12 o'clock ile do amu gun igbu wa we. It's just a low boy.
Poge talo. Ou avec Bob yo renté toge. Ando pe no bi jouer di ton aketa we based on who you be. Based on who you be, who susu mu dan. Unoria wa, unoria two. Lie, you say you dey inside GPC.
You are very who like pass. Who you dey call lie? Who work a very toge say. You come out concern so you give am full bag of rice, but Vera come out with correct evidence debunk am say you don't give am full bag of rice now. Half bag you be take the bribe every time. Now she debunked it and brought out the evidence. Say you were lying. So you can't possibly say Vera is lying because you also lie. You also lying. Eh? Somebody say, why can't you create your content? Really? I don't get content too. Person when use me create content these days now, so we can't do and then be my own content too. So that one will make una cry. So you people have to learn how to create content. When you tell your mother to start learning how to create content, other people will learn how to create content. Until she learn how to create her content, people will not learn how to create content. People will be using her to create content, and it's very painful because she told Vera to use me to monetize her page. Vera monetize her page. Your mama is not the product. And now your mama now come they collect all the whole injury where they come up for Vera page. Now your mama come with the food where Vera take they eat for there as we they talk now. Because now your mama tell Vera say, use and take monetize your page. Use and monetize page. Vera don't monetize page infinity. Your mama is becoming a very big cow that Vera is slaughtering on her platform every day. And she's making money. Your mother is becoming a topic everywhere. Your mother, Zana. That's what I'm saying. For now, I don't have content. Maybe later, but for now, I don't have content. Your mother is my content because I have long awaited this opportunity so that I will make your mother my content. Because your mother also make me Vera content for a very long time. She also make me her own content. She has gotten money from my matter before. So me getting money from her matter, until I collected that same money she collected from my head, I will not also leave your mother alone. So social media is vice versa. You don't understand what social media is. If you wear a we not go back and about the Germany, my way like with the train station. Now that time you go see whether person way gets more body, whether than sickness. About like beer.
Every day they do announcement. I don't want to present inside BPC. We went BPC and a top boy. Jealousy. And
inside the life me, inside life you know woman who young got top boy or someone young got top boy avant. Then come mat, they can't do gift for me for my birthday. Then celebrate me as they celebrate person. That same my celebration where they celebrate me, you don't let me rest. Uma give me a copy a Vera winning. No, I don't know. Now feeling is deep. Let me tell you what. If you take my video, see my video on your page, I'm going to block you. I'm going to fight your page and bring it down, and I will block you. What will be your name? Feeling is deep. I don't want to see any of my video on your platform. If I see my video, my picture, anything on your platform, I'm going to be facing your page until I break down that page to level 0. I will not leave it alone. So you have a warning from me. Don't say you didn't get my warning. Okay? I've warned you now. So if you know you have any of my video before, just go there and remove them and delete them because you are biased. You are not a real person on social media. You are a very biased person. So people where they biased like you and not like me and the Niente. You never say the truth. Mama, they talk true. Mama, they talk true. Mama, they talk true. Why solo? Why so? Any one of you wait because of una mama insult me. You get where you go reach. I'll still carry and face am. Bree. Or if you act bad, they do analyze the video of the mama. Why is that so? He's a little boy. Hey.
When you follow jealousy, you reach it to my house. You see Oyibo. Whatever area. Unzan. Even if the police in Negbe. What bell?
Now when. Now when you have the police in Negbe. Oh, beg and now Louis Vera ya winning no big mama and the police in Negbe. No rampaging.
Liar.
Do you know one thing I don't like about her? Devil incarnate. The genesis of the problem of these two people is this woman. This satanic woman. This genesis of, you know, say people too, they believe her before for this Facebook now. They were believing too much in her. If they just say, even my own friend, when me I inquired those days, he say, I want to carry you go meet Monica. I never even went to Facebook. I say, wait till this one they talk. Who were me? Monica know the kind of person where I be, or tell me, but you know where I be. I try. Which kind of nonsense be that one? This is how all this local set of women with inferiority complex they worry. Now so then they use this lunatic illiterates till they believe say now one kind normal person and be this one they use until they threaten themselves. Now so they take for them. Since when these two sisters entered this woman's life, or she entered their life never remained the same. It just be like this Eruwaila, Destiny Bagwa, all of them. Since she come in contact with their life, she will corrupt it in many ways and their life will never remain the same again. And in a way, they support her for that thing. It will enter your life and your life will never remain the same again. If you are a genuine, I will support it. Et that move here feel with it talking area here to no baby room doman was supporting the social media. Now they mad.
Eh? Audio now you say I give to you. It don't let you play. Play the audio.
Depend on one for that.
Where I tell beg you, why are you waiting? After I curse you today, if you not play the audio, if I go fier con les lois arrière, il me fier con les lois, fier con les lois. Il va pas fier con les lois, vous test social media.
D'abord fier con les lois. le social media fiakun le lwe bason fiakun le lwe avant fiakun le lwe bouye le non fiakun le lwe le ran vi kian na riva boka fiakun le lwe kian o be file lwe go vieni vie o bi joine vieni vie o file lwe ba ba e bi joine no we ko tebu your sister we do belle la say atie bonne amwe bodan gbuwa il va boire fiakun le lwe ando mi boya fiakun le lwe
no anya we wa be de ton yen we bo no o pe no we na se mi ye
e ko emu
wa ga o be I tell me he don't know
you come out for live video if you na be me and do beg me when me sorting and it is if you came to beg me ni sort one and ga it is ina we hon otun we na live video ona ati me ni we na he na gbe gbiju e wagbon no gbo ya gbon re no ya gbe la ju e be yi na gbe gbiju e then why va zoom dan se na ya gbiju wa pa no ragbon ro iju wa pa na ya yun bi ko yi la yi ni long time
tie bona no ma se the live video now why we big go ye mi o ya re Manchester there ya mi ogwe one eye of you amadege na dele ni ro arm robbers pocket pickers by Okada Joshua chooseless woman we no know herself somebody will just dey social media no get one content with this
you no get content. You always accuse people of not having content, and you don't have your own content from January to December. It's either you use your friend, or you use Destiny Bagua, or you use it. That's the only people you use to make content. Even today, somebody told me that your content was Destiny Bagua. Do you have your own content? Do you have your own personal content on social media? Where the content will go where? The content you created today, Esther Edokpa Yibo Dafon, your content to where the name when the content from January to December, na big boy a big vie that ruba ba ya be yimi, na big beluwa. Rita, please open back Prudence Kevin. She's a fan. Prudence Kevin, eh? Okay, I'll tell admin to open now. Okay, I don't see her now. Say, okay, la diane already.
No, the one thing. Everything with there, but you know, my rubber, you know, the way my mama saw it bad with them gone.
I go when I like social media, no me rubber hair mujun. So Vera is better than you. We rubber hair kekan umio. Umami e mujun. One day, the time I when ya migo is social media na. E manu ya migo. No we ya so one day with him. No see any bag mama na we gbe your wet today. Number 1 is Tango. Tango, yon kyo dag mon no sakai Tango with social media, with Facebook. Anyway, the first people who were yaswan we go. Having skimmy ya, Destiny Bagua, Esther Edokpa Yi, uncle me, my precious uncle. Any on your platform where so a platform where it's a family business. Or give my yafe no ayari eva any bio. Or you will understand. Anyway, ya open me when they go dore a misunu viva and still. You are not lawyer. You want to still continue oppressing people. A platform where it's a family affair. It's a national cake. That's cry blood. National cake, you know. It's a food for everybody. Because it's a for real. Agbog boya.
Rubbish. When no man TJ tag mo, a panty no way jo. Egbe na mo panty yiri atalagba talagbu oye talagbu
e tanto pa wa be vera fi aso e tate vera be masa wo wese e tate vera be masa wo goro la video gba sevede won fo ni akin adere e no sin pototo baladian or 4 way they come out for okay woman wey dey enter live video 3 times 4 times 5 times a day. Me allow pa ni na fo ama wu we no wala gba e pen to wear ti Afghanistan hon ko ogbele soja ya wa wo de gbe adi atalagbubu atalagbawu e pen to wear o sa no di gba se bubu wa se ti mu ejo never Lai e panty no we here jo. Hey, I'm we panty we fi ezikbe. O gbele ya fe no ro. All the fish we dey. Oh yeah, yak me to no baby. Here ya we rest in peace. All the fish we dey ezikbe. Ezikbe hiregbe. Let's just say la wa ari fi ezeli bia sef. Iwa wa mwe panty we fi ezeli bia because a panty I gain no for na sin kwa every day. Isha. Mwe panty we fi ba. Hey. Ebe na bata. E panty we ti hi uko e lapa never wala la we buna. Lapa never wala la we buna ya wa fi wenzo. Ofo yan ke libia do letali. E duosi no we hianjo e lapa. No. And wa hi ni se anu ba ni fun egbe ya. O we pete vera. O we to oje gba wu. Ve la la mi e go we. E duosi opa we wa sion for nya. From January to uba sion for nya eba. Wa ti mu ne re nya ya ba. E party na ya wo vasabe egbe ya lomion. Amiere la dia egbe party ni. E party ni o tol baby no. E party na ya te tafia la ya mu ni bilere. My people. E vieni vie we wa ya ni ya wa. You don't spoil everything. If you no we ni igbu wefo. He can't go away because we may go to the Facebook. He can't go before. I know the beauty. I just they leave you. This time around, they were in you. Oh you whoa. It will be you were in you. Oh you whoa. It will be you were in you. Me say me I go away for if you. Baby me aso agbo we social media. Ya agbo we na gbesan. Ya agbo egbe because if you we no we feel local ani mo no ya we sadaka a donation. Ne frank kete we kedere ya de o mawu agbegbu e yo wa ma mi ori ladian. E mono ya we donation e government. Any waro don ya wa wo hin ahian do we azuo you are getting fucked up on social media. If you see, that's why I go throw you for mat. I go show you wa sun if you let me do for. That's what berita. This time enemy na dia for one na we. Otwana la diona tama we bu waro la waro pa igbina ni ma bi we na ye gbefo ni I set igbinu wa eva wa sun. Na go fight for not ya no. Then you wanna let's go be jouer e verana. Eri ado na let's go wa boy de ase. Menerita. O ki wa na le ren to de. Ati wu I jouer wu ne wu meje badmon. We ya gwe ya da jouer de ini.
Yes, besta. I'm not be like Monica. I be my swear. You about that for when?
Yes, besta. I want to be like Monica. So if first a day now, you can see collect and use something they do. I don't know what you now. Now concept of I see the reason why many people they beat her. Because if they fight one person, you go they fight many people because she wants to have, according to late Oguname. Late Oguname says she always look for attention. Yes. And attention in make it tell attention in me is not giving me money. Wa tell anyway, ya bela ko you wa vie no visual. Ya amigo e vie mi se le go e vie ze talo la wa for free. We amigo wo we me amigo hime. Ivie yon pa yan va azuo wa ruebu na wo na ya se. I ma wo ya ivie zezebo. Ah ya zevie yezo.
No serve lo bosser ya fiance. O wo pa ke kan wa wa dada wa tate nwenye wa tate.
Una not come know what to be latest. So you know they look a chest. Ave fake breast in ya hin valley express no pe wen ni. Eyin wa fi oye ma na wa re ye ma wa pe ladian. No no this ya. Even you know me no ko na wa ni. A fake breast pad in ya fi oye ma no rally express no mo pe re ya na o si pe ladian be na yin me na. Na shi jo yen wa mo jo ni wa ga fi oye na ko ma no ma je brisa. You go be like person wey no wear brisa. A silicone in here Valley Express. Why worry all day Vanny do vie ma wabi let it you now. Why me time?
We must speak the truth. We must speak the truth. And the fact when you say you follow me fight. I wish you feel be the person now, I not compare you. Now so you still fight, amami to amami win.
Now, Yera, you say the fight where you say you follow me fight. I wish you feel beat the person now. Amami to ya, amami win. Now so you fight and they not saying. So you be go put people over there and your man tell you say Vera will feel beat them before. You not say some people they not here, man, no soon. Hell, it be like say you need to go ask my mama question. No ham wangerita sungbe. Or sungbe or agberu. Me, mabuwa, ma izesi egbele loto. Ube de not or sewe sile lwe hian lege kedere aderi ya uwa vivie no vijue. Wa oguban, orion hire ewu. Iga mo hian buwa mo hian so nyawa. Kere lafi menji. Anybody ni megbe mo agbe ya so nya. Mo gbe mo so. Yes, mo gbe mo so. Mo kiunuwa, mo tiebo beti me agbe. Ere lafi menji ya gwe ya so nyawe. Na so ibina. Ba bolla gbe bagmo.
Truth we muna the ave mi to ave mi we because I will vege ohi. O do yan ja we na Nigeria amami o ta amami we mi so bie jo ni amami o pa no ma wo. E me awe bie le jenni ni afera ama e dege afiwo.
Mo agu de hibi e wo nyanya. Oh, we ta ya wo ni aladin. Even ya wo lo ki biere na so de go te wo lo yo nko ma na do via kwada na mienu na to bo we wa vi oni ya we. Wa mienu wa vi ahia. E ri owo ya aladin, wo to bo we avin aladin. Unwe na asamo gere wewa uvie gere la din mana me ya silo we ya la din unwe na iwe since una don't go silo my own come let me just bring them out. You brought them out of frustration. You didn't bring them out because of say you wanted to bring that to your children. No, that is not how your children came out on Facebook. Your children came out on Facebook because you was looking for a place to bring them out by yourself. You bring other people on. So when you bring other people will bring your own. That's how your own came out. I be not be like that. Oh.
Because everything when you they do now half. I wish you be person where if you stand for something you must see the truth. It's not gonna
see where their problem come from. Because he look very like Aya Killer. He be carry people matter give and say they are belian one Aya Killer na them be. Aya Killer, me they call am fake breast. Na Aya Killer, na him be. Go kill them. By the time we come see and say 3 weeks, Rita is still doing well. We Vera not fit do anything. My friend, where I say me Vera come kill me drive and enter house. He not fit drive and enter house. All this chatting with the assistant, where they call no one mutua, no mutua, no roster, no raw. All the chat where they chat. So it not tell, not be today start to the chat. Not say not today our first start. Our first started long time. Not today. You salo boy, not be today now. See I'm a baby, and I'm bioba. I better go sit down, pretty Bianca. See I'm a baby, and I'm bioba. Not be today our first start. You don't take we our first start. So we don't get with you now. Want to do, and never fair do. I mean, wamae cow, no this time around. We be new thing. You know they. Now me talk and say, a time where Vera out they beat you. I'll come answer you. I'll just come and celebrate you. In one mind, you know they. Oh no, it's just 16 minutes now. Remain. If I finish and throw away and put for those things. If again will be you. Ozuo once, Ozuo bava. Ya gay. Or I try the third time. Or not try the second time. You will be ladin do 2 boni ya you. Then it's anyway.
Pay me. The one when you say you fight for me. Hey, Loleka, come here. Loleka, come here. Go see Loleka, you make up it.
Wow.
Who make it best?
Una ye? Hey. Loleka, come here. Loleka, go see Loleka, you make up romantic. But so your man be tell you say you Vera a team man no why be. Person no go fit do makeup again. Person no go fit come out. That was your intention. But what happened at the end of the day? Did she fail? After she fail, your mind not tell you say, I beg, what will that be? What is it? You are not doing anything. You are just chatting. The chatting you are chatting is not even affecting these people. Because you yourself, you don't have strategy. The people that you have been fighting all these years, where are you able to bring them down? You fought did you able to bring that down? You fought Destiny. Bagua came here. You did this party. The whole millions, the whole Europe responded. The only person who could attend that party was you and your husband. Finish. Even your own friend, whether I get a party or you are not total and enjoy, but you couldn't attend the party. You are the only person in the whole territory that could not attend that party. The only person that could not attend it is you. Yeah. Hello, boy. Everybody where the young man was on him.
Oh, not the power. Oh, except the one we are looking for the truth. Confused.com. Who will make our way with done? Loleka, no go magic. Eh?
Ama
bu we ka gbo opete pete ne wa gbe wa evacuate mi egbe nu wa koko gbegbo ai me je.
You know, see, waiting you they always wish people. Think about it, say, why is it that it's always coming back to your life? You wish people to me, people where they leave you, you want me they go they go with another person. There's no connection. Not connection between light and darkness. The people where you want me, your dog, they fight, they kill. They not fit kill them because they know they always open door for nonsense. They know they always open door for people where no get sense, me they enter. Walk by ije no si luku no si le mwen. Walk by si lo son kon. Walk by si le minomie wo de the Facebook. Now only you. No other person can do such a thing. Eh? No other person go fit do such a thing. Ba bola we gbe bagun.
Don't versus mundo. Here dantan wa. Rubbish. They know they carry anything make do better. You see this husband Jeje as well saying this. So whether it's still there, we don't know. You see just now, we'll still hear story. Because I saw it there, the man at the pond every day. 1 year go the pond. His sisters come there to say, oh, Bishi mommy over to Ajo. I'm your water. Eh, don't pa ma belly pia. Eh, that enemy no ufo. Enemy yo.
Eh, sati wefo because in winning reno. I want in winning refo. Since when you did the social media, come on, when you come here, when they break, the person come down and do your beds, your magic back. Wishing whenever you don't ever work finish. When you come here, say, hey, I carry the matter, I do one, you can't finish. I carry that one matter, I do one, you can't finish. For now, is he ever finishing? He's always coming back, they rotate now. You know they finish you. Now say whenever be. Even this same one, we very carry, we not they finish, we not they do finish. So, judge yourself, all the whenever we they carry, you know, me myself, I not go finish whenever. My you be away, my move to a they give up team. Now so like be. Everybody is aware, he am winning whenever phone ya. My money am winning, some of them still they alive. I might want my man when me with all winning whenever for when winning whenever for the social media.
I know for. Anything where point, you know, the finish and may not say, I don't finish that thing. But don't have fast they don't they go, they crave it in they go. This say not guarantee do me complain. Beg mama beggars.
And she don't come beg you.
And I need any cool becky walking and boo. Because when man any me.
If I walking and boo. Ese waga gbuwe, sama with the bamogede. Now so many people talking. They'll say, ese waga gbuwe. If you go do ese for person, you know one because of that one made the person not the break again. So waga gbuwe. Esa mogede bamogede. So ese nuwe ukian we yata mego na do gberita. Na ya gbe no pa. Ese nu ya mumente yo busy ya mumente yo bomeme. Ese nu waga gbuwe. Ese go down ga me we. You no go ever see person where you go do, when you will go meet, you go give her something, say come deal with Rita. That person go collect that thing for you. I not go beat you take you away. With Facebook now. Egbuwe yak yo e. Ete to hama we gese wo ga gbuwe. Ami egbe video. Almost to do time we ese wo ga gbuwe. Esa mo we do gba mo de. Because you are using your money to buy loyalty, to put people in the hands of other people to be bullying. So for that reason, ese wo ga gbuwe. Esa mo we do gba mo de.
O ma fiani mi, o ma da gizok pa ni mi.
Because o man name water, o man name, o man bu we ade no do gun we ni wo boy ya ha come and help me. She even play the audio. Vera, I need your help. Come and help me. Vera, I need your help. Come and help me. You are the person that was looking for the help of Vera.
Be better you when ya who wear her bag, you know, Vera, what you go me ya do? Who ya go ya bag we ya mu. Ne se we ana gbona na we se nuwa.
Ese we gbuwe. Esa mo gede no gba mo gede.
Rubbish. As you juju don't clear for you, they say na juju I give you. You know even the shame. You will be like woman. Hey, Ilaje. Ebony amu gwe the German lady mu gwo logo we na.
And the German lady be we bog we any we oga here. What to here as you back where here. Or why you soon we dia. Who so we dia. Or woman no man left Facebook no allow we the na what to assume we what to ya we do eki. The German lady mu boni gbo we Facebook na. They ti aye media audio ya re because he got fit pity na we gani we love we rekwa for no reason. Or mo egbo time we to here assume ha. Omo bo gbuwe. Ona tama we bo gbuwe. Why soon with dia? Usun with dia? Usun we no to here soon with different places here. Uwe mi amia. E jama le di mo bo gbevera. E ri o me gbuwe. Awi me so e Facebook na. Omo bo gbuwe na.
Una bujo, una when you see nothing they happen. Now they worry you so. For somebody to just rise up without no quarrel, start to follow Monica do problem.
Really? How many people where you don't ever get up go fight for no reason for this Facebook? Who got attention? Who got ligo? Who got attention? Who got ligo? Who got popularity? Facebook. You don't say Juju the worry person. You feel just get up one day, you don't sleep. Where Juju worry you, worry the next person. Who will not get be, no get naga hoy. Egbe ya gale sagin kwa. Again, why I we sorry. Egbe ben wewe. You go and kneel down and be begging all of them. We why agree why abome was sorry. Why agree why abome was sorry. No. Na so na. Or say I even don't know we sorry ni me feel where they were beyond you we yan we akboloto. Is e bono lo hu wa ya no. E bono ka be alo hu we e was e gbian. Because a bonny and a log one and so now they get on and go carry person we don't do anything. When the person will come the drag and they go leg now come they say the person too look for trouble.
Eh, but the German lady me do it all over now. You ya talk a jiangbe, una talk a unu fere.
One I told you, oh, we beef German first lady, boo one soon. I believe the German first lady na make when German first lady meet somebody like you today for road, you go wrong. God forbid. If you carry her to join somebody near somebody like German first lady, the next thing we go do, you go pack a load. Now so me, I go open my door, meet somebody like you when we waje. Then near me, I'll carry my bag, I go come out. Carry my bag, I'll come out. You sit down away, they Austria, no go ever answer now. All the video way they do now, I'll gather all of them. Why when wabo ya swene do ya reply over. Now that one me they wait for don't be all this.
Eh, but no more body ye call over
na nonsense.
Eh, Madam Ilaje, you say I use Juju take over your eye. You know the shame. As you be Ilaje woman, you can still jump person. Where feel Ilaje you should be ashamed.
If you just leave Vera, no problem. As Vera they beat you, they insult you. You just leave her. We make problem bo me matter what am we no. Uma na za bo, una we no do atie bone. Ya video when you analyze it, the mo bone here bo ma. Wetin other people fit swallow, you say you no fit swallow one. But law egbe.
Of yourself. Say as you dey proud of Ilaje. Eh? Me I can't feel you Juju take cash Ilaje. You go no. I go use it. Both you and Ilaje, I go beat you together. I go beat you. Wait for me next week. And they come for you. Oh, like man, nonsense. That they go, where are you? It's not good. Very stupid, useless child. Child, when don't know herself. I'm not care.
I tell you, say when saga go start, I go sit down here and listen. So that's exactly what I'm doing. For the people that are just joining, I'm just fulfilling my promise that I promised before. I say when the saga start, Vera and Mama, if Vera has one vision, it will time and organize it. Finish. So if you are filing here in wire typing.
Exactly.
Ami ma mo kmang mo mekenu weje and wo manage kmang mo ekenu na duk mo Sarah Martin no me odi me aduk mo beba ni jo I know they like am kun wa jodi o word all of them just know say see the way this one for body do your carry phone enter inside phone go screenshot and comment. I know they like am gan when I wear go party all of una no one way no find even some of your people call me for inside phone la e sha be no na do la tamane me no they like all those kind things. Wait be say you job wear something the your work go just know say na here you for buying national flag. National flag. National flag. Anything nuririjo o ma kie Sarah Martin na mi ebuwe. Uje sketi na kie Sarah Martin na mi ebo. Uje wu na kie Sarah Martin na mi ebo. Uje a top na kie Sarah ma uje gan na kie Sarah Martin na mi ebuwe. Not be everybody like am. That's the truth of the matter. Ebo ya like e ma be make ni na be de. Those days, you monitor, where you have a social media and monitor, you can do more because many a competition with more. A shop in one do more, I know they follow now, they wear for there. Now, shop me the enter, Jama shop, anywhere, and I not care anywhere, Mondore online, you go on way. Because today I started the bear online since I'll just the wait after 3 weeks, go come, I'll try and no size me. Email now, shop by the Waka enter, I'll just enter, go sit down. Try the cloth. It fits me, I like her, I walk up on my ass, now so I take the bear. Our cows or do more same online because they believe say they will come the pay small or you get the way they take the pay because most people they also buy close credits online. Not all countries, so some countries allow it. Not all shops, some shops allow it. Not all shops, some shops allow it. You get shops where they allow something like that. You get shops where they allow. You know, credits. You feel buy clothes where they go. 500 euro for one day, you dey wear every day. Yeah, I don't like her. Money where I just get, I'll enter shop. I'll not say, you see this month. Now this money I want to buy my clothes. I'll go try them. If I try and see what I wear and size me, I like her way. It fits me. Not be say, I don't feel bad things online before. I'll stand in front of mirror. I don't understand. I said that it's too big or it's too small. Can't say, what is all these things? Or you do fear avec babe nous we mujo. Et so do fear or wawaki. Anytime, you know, a mommy love or mubo adu lele we do ke never gene. As you despoil business, they find you go rich inside your where you for the pack clothes, even you see low here, or ya see ya la bien, baby and table, do ya many go no here. I know they follow you, they do all those things. Have you ever seen me doing all those things of fake account before? Now, so me job be okay, you can register with ClearPay. Commentasi. What too much be? La baba ou la bif ou aproko. Later, on va say la princesse a bien beaucoup. La pa paint. Et la pa paint ojo. More don't end. Make the take on not be the monte. Now hustling ground everybody this so for Facebook. Now so it can be now. I be my people. Can you imagine? You say Vera never know the way they use ClearPay till they pay. If Vera don't go register with ClearPay, I bet me on help me tell Vera. Hey Vera, you register with ClearPay. Una way day away no. Somebody way right hand for you just now. Bet tell Vera number. Tell her me register with ClearPay. No so ajuk mono muse or rien do gweg no joy muse. Beni wa be journey. The ClearPay or do yam we die. That way they tell say you know the dress for yam muse say we this one they do that one. But waiting. We might get your J before get we la alwe ya we no maheki. Somebody say sorry if I be man. No if you kiss that EVA mouth. Il vient dans des romantiques là. Non c'est il vient mad way. Hein? Il vient I fait des filles mais non c'est il vient I be la person all those old people wey drink kind those days. Here is a kankan na gbe yan go. Il vient be la person wey they resuscitate for kankan camp now. Il vient be la person wey they rehabilitate come up for isa kankan camp. Il vient, il nous j'ai vu. Il nous j'ai vu, il vient. Au vient here, il vient atier here. Il vient, non laissez moi. Il nous j'ai vu. Au vient here, on y here vient. Non ni le bois ou don nous vient de kawe. Il vient. All those one. Diamata is not even. At first, if I don't listen to that, not just a while away time. That make me the talking at times. So just to also do them back what they do me. Because if I look Diamata, I can't look them. Say you know a psychopath. It also they pay me when they talk about mad people at times. Nothing say they pay me. Eh, ya wa condemn. I me la dia way. Condemn element. Can you imagine? If they pay me when they talk at times. So I'm telling you people, don't take it serious. Some people will say, Rita, you are too bitter. I'm not bitter. Doing me what they are not supposed to do make me want to just carry them and bend their head through window. Yeah, I'm looking at being for because they are constituting nuisance too much. It's too ugly. If you're honey hungry, you might understand that we are not with you. We know ya with you. We are ya with you. Voila. They want to live here after 24 years. We will buna. I love banana. Some people don't they ask what is ClearPay. They want to go back close for there. Now there will la mama wait there UK go register with ClearPay. Now that clip we register we na see look mon no na do I give vera no mo. Do I give vera no mo ge for what? Why will you be loving vera no mo ge mo? That they vera la we bu. They don't like we bu vera register we clip ban we aye carton si e ge bu wa. O ko ajo popa. Ave fe e gan no fled be kun fled bu toto fled bizabo. Ave gan na group babone li mi gbe ni statuary party there you. Ave sketch ni ho. Baboleli me. Oh, mama.
Hello.
I'm hearing you.
ClearPay is not a shop. ClearPay is the company that allows you to pay 3 installments. You know, if you're buying a
like Klarna. Okay, ClearPay is a it's a UK company, right?
It's in Australia. It's in US. Like it's a payment company.
Oh.
It's like.
I understand. Our own here in Germany they call it Klarna. Clothes place like H&M, other place you can buy clothes there.
Like when you buy Christian Dior bag. If it's £500, you will share it into 3 for easy payment.
Installments in payments,
so
eh?
You can use it to get a lot of things, good things.
Ah,
you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Thanks for the explanation. Thanks for the explanation. Is that only in UK or is everywhere?
It's everywhere. My sister has it in Australia. She uses ClearPay for Australia. They have it everywhere. If you type in ClearPay, you will see it.
Yeah.
Then just register with them.
Yeah.
So each time you go to make payments, you just use
Wow.
it. So it will not be heavy in your hand. But you can get good stuff. Like
Wow.
you go to House of Fraser.
Yeah.
House of Fraser.
Thank you.
Buy bag or shoes or that. They share it into 2 or 3 for you, depending on what you want.
Yes. It's all right. Thank you, ma.
Yeah.
God bless you. When I know what they make me they laugh. I need to wear they remember in the review. Il vient quand des resemble snake. Même dans l'eau, les mecs, ils vont fond trouver. La vie, tu as vu quoi qu'on analyse. Elle dit, ouais, tu sais, bien. Ah, on laugh. On les vit. Hey, Vanny, who if you was send them with couple now, I will go find one cup where I will give the men where the fuck be any. They really deserve award in this life. If you you not gonna understand. Look me, look bush. Na front if you they look, na back they look, na side they look. What work beside if you if you need be agmo we ni ana. Sometimes I dey think oh. Let me out just dey think I say na mo my people wa mo oh. Sa lo bua oh. When wa condemn say why provoke me to attempt wa. Then me mo say. Can you imagine? You provoke me to the extent of using my beautiful mouth to talk about you. With what element? Et money, more. Then if you get at times I just look and say, well, now the cake beige, salou. Oh, il a zélé ne doye na wana ya muki gwere ya be manate ya zese. Imana ya zese mufu avec de can you imagine? Vie. Waga we mungene ni makeup ugene ni eyelashes. Si jouer no polish mama ti polish dag mo we. E nu zuwa e. Ah vie. E nu monton e. E de aga gbu e aga gbu wa ko tun ku gbe upa. Ko so gba e bazu wa gbe. mi ake mwere vie ni vie wa gbinu gbono hiwe we bo vie ni vie wa mu ya la chisi ya wa ya pa ka mu bie Canada biele du tout too big. I don't understand. You get one day we can't eat. You put food on top table, she can't eat. And she can't eat the food. Now come here face me. It's not like she go analyze me and my sister. After we make mon avec ni avec mon avec toi. Avec bibi ni ya konri egbian. The day River will chase her away. That one. River also carry one day just carry a pussy or a yesterday. They won't look like you like. Eh? You just go River go start for the River to say, Liwe kawo, kabiesio, kawo, kabio wa pigini me. But if you like les ba loy pa. Ne pis hare Facebook. For his was way. On va se vie egbe ya, on va se. Kai! Il vie point loin. On va se lever no via le hun do sik mi a wona ga fiege. Kawo kabiesio. Kago kabies na mi yanke mona legbe webu after many years we vie kwa ya kpuku se bokumeze ivie ijo me betama we ni an ebi ni betamu we na e de no ladian ona wa le ladian e dokpa de do time away ibe do analyze e ge nu bi aso we le rita na analyze e ti maka inform wa yoto wa ka beg information me be attack ivie when I want to go na wari okmenze na ya take a walk a be a CV. He's a lover. I never see that kind of vie for this Facebook. Niki are Facebook ne gba wi vie ni o ma fe gba be ba. I vie na wa be ya o be ya luka ni to present ya be na mi Facebook. Ba wi via kere. E ra ho abije. I vie ni vie. Bon mweri ya. If you see as the children fine. Vivia na mi gba oni ye. Iye bo mi sinon nya go. Now only that one my people. How many things I want to talk? I meti oni anyu no me ni gbe o na ya ti o those discuss ave mani gbongbon ana. Chai! I vient na wa mo ekpo. Ekpo no ho na ya je. E mi ati I vient na wa kun. Ona wa kun ran kun yo ma mi na ya live na is. You don't see one sexy night gan put. You be one con carry your baselu enter Austra. So the mon baselu you what wo hori. Mwari Austra. Ivie. Oh, happy new moon, Jerry OD official, my darling, how are you? Il m'avait mis ou Ivie ni yari agmo. Ivie wasi kan le lotin yan. Ivie gagmina. Ivie yu ya rien pede. Sauter for one video, il kon even to say they are telling me when you go. You know, we on a money. Somebody said the other one get to shop all the You know, where they don't, and then it been about or ten that movie junction on Facebook. And then it been a vibe, so now this one analysis in here. They will have it. You have this one, so you're sorry. Can you imagine? If you why na mana wa zese ti wey sister you know say if that your sister don't talk their matter if you bring their privacy come and finish all those yan zese all yan you kita log gbidan here as you do the other one do the na so na they drag their matter come out if you not start at the beginning it go do at the later end when they finish. Drug addiction the drug work be viego alcohol kind vie the we bo why you strong kind vie. Why you strong? We can you want to remain the same? You strong? I am with juice. We am with can. That one. If I want even talk matters, I go the shame for his body. I'll say me I just did. You like bogia ni la wa ma gbon mi. Somebody said 2 hours said the go airport go pick my friend. God not let me what saga forget. What saga make you forget person for airport now? Because who must find the truth? Who must mute it? Who must see the truth? Nah, go tell her to be disabled. I never see this kind of thing for my life. My people, my people. Vieni vie. Ya wa bo eni vie wa wa to me we vie na salu ba de na lu bu fa ba ko na kidney wa la be so. Be na be kun kan everywhere. 40% si vie wa la yon. De me no se na wa make man de ke no wa je ni man ba condemn ogun se ba. Why? Yeah, my bug what exactly is your problem? Ya tie bon wa. E mani wa condemn mani condon less ne mani man wa tie mo mi na dege no re gbele no because e mani ma dege I'm not even seeing any normal human being there. Eh? Yi pe ka ron pa ne de gba na be ba. That one not your joint. But that if you cruise ayo ne gbogi ere fo a. E cruise ayo le ya gbe wa cruise ne you throw away a program. He cried for 7 days because of Ogulame. Ogulame tell you I'm lying. Well, like anybody don't deviate you. Or like anybody don't deviate you. If you like anybody don't deviate you, we pa go say pitolet. Or what fit a pitolet no we are bouquet, and ben I will not want to have a can any. Oh, Matthew Jehovah. E pitolet no we are bouquet. Eh? E pitolet na wa boy dune di ho eri amneji. E ranoro do keke. Eh? Wa ga ni san wa hon gbi. Fi to te toilette. E toilette no kwa ba. Ivie. Il fallait look and look face. If I dey look and look face, I go laugh. Tears go dey come up for my eye. Now, cause on that the way I'm about to talk matter, I'm about to use 30 minutes to laugh. Every reasonable person, he must laugh or he be matter. Eh? Avec si on est bien là, et bien avec quel bébé présente avec Facebook. Il vient de add self je présente pour social media il vient entier présente il vient avec la bien gris il vient et entier présente avec la bien vie voilà mi bien oh she was crushing on him abi my people not be smarty. Too ugly. And I saw his voice be. Now so what they come for a mat be. Nothing. Imagine if me mo salo boa we me be nothing. E rock pa on be me. Sometimes now some people say no wait on I me be we mo salo boa. E ya wa bevie ko. Me na be ko money vie. Oh God. Which kind of life you vie con, my people? Sometimes I think come for an how they think come for an say be na be women. You know see as mama te describe Vera just now. He say wa women wa mo to and this say I now that say mama te dey look vie. He talk for one video one day say if not be my sister where they call me say me I not talk because they be warning if you not talk they know the man on they come swear for her. Somebody like you now you talk to me and come they answer you. E ya gbo bi jouer by now. What it concern you? I don't know you before. Even me got in web one basef, oh, where my go web one. I go beat you at book bin your tone now. I'll come the answer you. When I watch every 2 minutes as a mark where they for Europe. Okay, Professor say they find Bulam a prick. And I wait till they find. If there's a noise maker, it's a noise maker. No, no worry. We'll come do one kind of this thing one day. Maybe I can't sell them. Et nous espérons qu'arriver il vient voir tes ennemis wa domu hein mais non rien de ya by hospital pas Because a psychiatric patient in the here, oh, if you left for the treatment, I'm married. If my mind win avec bébé. It's not relevant, my sister. It's not relevant. I just they use a cash cruise, they make joke, they use until they laugh. Forget me, you're not. He laugh, they hungry me, I carry a face come out. I know they press the video. I know they press look. How you look here? Then I'll laugh for 30 minutes, go enter bed. That's why they do now. You get people where I they laugh like that. That one will be like tell away they will laugh. That's why I say they do one. I you go looky face, gree. I'll boss laugh. I'll laugh for the next 30 minutes. I'll go enter bed. Drink more tests. Oh, Ivie. Iverani, Ivie. Owe la ine. Ele teve que ir ver a gay kwa que fez say was one gay because I the one that say, what is all this thing? Wait to be all this one. Somebody say, I don't know why Ivie rubber skin be like cement color. Okay, skin be like cement color. Et puis, vous voyez, woman, oui, maman, avec bivier. Oui, maman, avec bivier. Oui, ni vie, le skin, ni wagon. Sauter, some people even carry company. Il y a des companies so one vie. Il n'y a pas maman, non, c'est mais il a fail. I room too dirty. Now make she the off-light agent of darkness. What do you expect? Et donc pas, on va show a video who way. Wa go get them was loge de silava kai kon na ba na we gwa go meme. We bu. They just pack am for where then they sleep. Wo wa na bia na wa pack go get their car of kon e be like my grandmother that they pack a car go get the e kon out those days. E gene o salo boa ba no meto. E ni vie na. Donc, bon, on vient now. Ou so why my condition ni vie na o ni vie. Na no de sonta de tika for am. Because me de tika test o. I just dey look at to say vie wa gbe. How many years be Facebook or wa ki page ki. Or ki o pa be monti na next month ki o vie ni vie no me swag. The other one be ki o be vie ni vie no time. The other one go sick me no vie ni mi. Wo pa be vie ni mi. Ok me so be ki so mo nyen yu en. Ya mu vie la ya. Ivie. Oh man, walwe style we why I enjoy kwa if you walwe be you be ya enjoy kwa. Why style we bubu enjoyment. Was wo Ivie. Usabwa. E me no we varia na ke we varia be Ivie. Saba no ri we you kaligma down jenare. Cause e baby no we ji o kaligma no kwa ino. Chai. O ma be wa bubu destiny we kwa be you be Ivie we wazu o we baby bo strava. What is spark about defi we baby? We want room after how many years? Hey, I they walk as if now only she be the first to walk. I know even the walk, you know, we must see her for a body. Who make magno? If you was le primati silo from January to December. If you, what problem we have? If you am we bug boy. Oh, was le primati silo was le ya moto. E dok ba we ke shopping de ona si ekpo. O mana wa bege ona we gege. If you a primat. After many years we bu. €1 t-shirt. €1 50 cents. If you ya tama wana le destiny wenness wo bo we kun ni de freedom. Il sait bien il vie brag rich te so fishnet. Oh, my people, that was the end of the video. I've been working on this from
January to December. Any content, any care that they talk about, you talk about.
And when the care that they talk about, very talk about because you know say near the amount and a cruise with the use and cruise. If me want that topic, none of una for this social media do topic reach me. None of una. And when I say what are you from January to December, why tell me away? Eh? We feel even went out that topic, create content, do everything. People go engage jump on Facebook. Oh, what? Immunere. One I is so proprietor of Immunere on Facebook. Salud. If you got get it. If you watch vera que le foi vie. Waga vera. If you ben jezese. Ezema gwebe go devie. Umati begene vera ya wuyo. O shoki we. Uma begene vera ya wuyo vie. O shoki we. Egbe freedom no sunu da vera. Oh, we see you know that way. Facebook na nje ya do one less than mwa way. Mo hia la na ze bwa mo twina. I sure you say you the wait. All right. I don't already tell you. Where light, where darkness for the bit light. When the time come, you will see no. It can darkness and be light. Wow. If not, a depression will genuine what would you way. Women at your monetization. Where by me and Facebook now one day. Where my button where me on to where your destiny work we go be you with social media na. Woman a free boy. Where to me and go with Facebook. This one is a promise. Until you come out of that cage and that wherever they put you, because something why boy again they not happy why you cage because spirit why is was not happy why you cage vie or if why you cage not destroy you no ya we can gino to va no hianzo ai vie e bonuri tie me wa mo ya wa be la de do mo gbotun e were gbe we are we increase ebo wo yen na nia we increasing him when it do mo gbe we gbe do ya lo le guy for it a video we mo die ma do analyze it do ya mi go o gi me se le nu evie e se le nu because we mi go be Facebook we Now, so my people, that was the video. The miserable, nonsensical video of yesterday. Now we analyze finish today. That only that yesterday, I don't feel finish. And today, I just look where the important for inside. Me, I complain, me, I can tell them. Me, I can tell them, say, Mama Vera, because what's here Vera Lanogena? What's here Vera Lanogena? The reason why Vera can't beat you today, you created it. Say, boy, take every second you or second in my village. Oh, well, I don't hear more that woke up or she was me, I woke up. You people are always on Yasin. On Yasin now, not be for Facebook. Now, I woke up, now they do. The money I want to buy for hook up matter for that time was Jama First Lady. Night two of them just they do body, they do body, they do body, they do body, does this. Okay, climb the wire, wait on top of the cage. Abi, you know reach where these ones do. You reach where them be. Not be where they can't look and like say, hey, the way this one take better my First Lady be like say if we carry and face this war with the Facebook or why yeah, for if you know what this woman they talk for say he has concerning me and not go even to misbehave. If they talk for say I see go see all of na you work bole kuno Facebook no why ya because why are disturbing you again. So for that reason you work bole san. No. I'm going to repeat I said at back of there they do live video. I hope so now don't share the video. You wanna share the video, my people. Share it. I like it when some people come to my platform and say you don't get content. Content to come and give you. Saga infested people. No. I do content when I feel like doing. I don't do it because anybody wants. No. I never share the video, my people. Oh, really? With the wait? Oh, you the wait, eh? I see your message. I'll call you back, Nana. 1 minute. My people. So she boss cage carrying around. Venive try to use cream for her body. He tried to use cream. Imagine understand them in hijo. He can't be like, I can't the one that say, well, Iviana, why is this? I don't know what she look like. Cream fail. Even ya fail. Company where give her cream come by themselves, can't carry company, they carry wrong. Because the company no more cream if you here no na me 1 euro later wa. We are kawa beg if bag mo wa. You just first see if you tire for life. The cream fail if wa big bay. Now that one you want to say you want to go back that kind. I take big cream, any cream if you advertise you hang gather. Cause so any or ya gbe wa. On no nyandi ni gbe o ma gi arrive o ma gi arrive yeke. You can't the one that they when they vote ten arrive nous j'ai. Hey, salut. Anyway, my people, we move. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, you don't share since, bravo. Have a lovely evening. Ciao, ciao, my people. See you. Have a lovely evening. Have a lovely evening. Have a lovely evening. I'm making I tell you, I know one thing. My people, where they follow me for this page. I'm not afraid of anyone. But I sometimes respect people. I dey respect well. But now when I come see and say, when people go they disrespect me, I lose respect for them completely. That's the end. They respect me, I yet will be me for life. If you not just can't disrespect me, can't do me anything, no problem. Me and you not get problem, I'm not going to reach where you dey. But by the time where you say you don't want to cross my boundary, can't do one to me once. Even though say you do and you don't forget. If I don't already get you for my book. Wala no. Now while I be, I'm not gonna leave you alone again. I'm not gonna leave you. This one way if this so if you why we no so no da be Facebook. If you guys say boxing. See you guys. Have a lovely night and ciao ciao.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware